Yes, massive blessed love and welcome to the channel. I hope everyone is doing well, you see. Yeah, man, wants to give thanks to all of the people who've been subscribing and all of them things, you see. Well, today we have a follow-up on the whole Chucky situation, and the autopsy was done on Tizzy, his daughter, of a video, and she explained some things. And she said some rather interesting things still. So we go sit back and just listen to what Tizzy have to say. See? And she created her own YouTube channel. So at the end of the video, we just go add the link to our channel so you can go over there and subscribe and get the strength same way. You see it, guys? Yeah. It's a little heartfelt kind of talking shit up and still, and you understand, kind of emotional. So people just listen out and you understand, listen with attentive thing, and you understand, and say what you feel like in the comment section, you see it. And we want to say condolence to Tizzy and her family, and we just want to say more strength Tizzy, you see it. And me talk to Tizzy one at a time half the year, and you understand, Tizzy kind of probably all a little vibes because me did say some things in my video. See? And Tizzy, you see, if me did say anything where might offend you or make you feel any kind of way, me never do it with no ill intention towards you. So if it won't come off that kind of way there, I want to apologize to it still, you see it? So, that. So, I could just go on and listen to Tizzy and, you understand, hear our explanation and our whole thing. Give thanks. Blessed Lord.
If I break down in this video, please stay with me. If I am telling any lies in this video, please point it out. If I am wrong, please correct me. Everybody in the world knows me. I am Tizzy, freelance Chucky daughter. Before I reach to my dad's death, I am going to talk from when me and my dad fall out and what happened between my dad, me, Simon, and that other person. I will not call that person's name. So, my dad come, this guest come at my dad's place. You know, everybody wants to be at Freelancetizzy place, and this guest come. And the guest and my father started dating, right? Because she said she loved my father, and they start dating. So, less than a month, my dad him get full of her. So she said she going to the US. So my dad sort out his papers and go to the US with her. Everybody is saying that she was the one who let my dad get his papers. My dad can get his paper for a long time, but he never have the interest. But this person give him a reason to go to America. And yes, he did. So, normally when my dad leave, like he will go far. In Jamaica, I will go and spend a 1 week or 2 weeks in Montego Bay or wherever. He will leave me at his place, and that is no problem. So, this particular time it was a bit different because he said to me, Tizzy, I'm going to America and I want to pay you to stay there. And I was like, why you want to pay me? You don't have to pay me because you leave and I take care of the place. There's no problem there. I said to him. He said, no, his girlfriend say at the time, his girlfriend say he must pay me. So I said, me no want no money because trust me, I am 26 and I never work a day in my life, and I am 26 years old, and my dad take care of me and my 2 kids, and I am 26 years old. My dad take care of me and my 2 6. He's a top dad. Let me put that out there. So he proceeded that he wants to pay me because his girlfriend said he must pay me. And I said, okay, fine. My dad leave in December for 3 weeks. When my dad come back in Jamaica, the next day, I reach around my house, I'm saying carry something for my son. So go back round by the Airbnb there, talking to him. Didn't even ask him for the money. Let me tell you how the money part come up. Because I wasn't even interested in the money. Because he's my dad, and I'm not looking for any money from him because he's the one who takes care of me. Alright, so when I reached round by the house, I saw Simon. And I said, Simon packing up his things, and I said, why are you leaving? Simon said he doesn't feel welcome. And I said, what do you mean? He said he doesn't feel welcome. Remember, Simon is someone who's close to my dad. And I said, okay, I'm going to bring it to my dad's attention. So I called him on the phone and I said, my father, because I'm not call him daddy. I'm not going to come here and say, because my father daddy. I'm not call him daddy. I say, my father. I say, my father, Simon say he doesn't feel welcome here anymore. And my dad start talking, say his other half girlfriend say Simon is using him. So I turned to him and said, oh, Simon using you? Yes, my dad have him Airbnb a long time. Before Airbnb, my father normally have his guests before he sign up on Airbnb because my father have him business about 30 years. But Simon do a lot for my dad because Simon put my dad on the map, and I will say that. Simon put my dad on the map. Simon made the whole world know my dad. Simon makes the whole world know my dad, Freelance Chucky. Not because he's my dad I'm going to say you're right and you're this. No, wrong is wrong and right is right. And if I cannot tell you when you're wrong, I am a fake person. If everything you do it is okay and it is not okay, and I'm going to tell you, say it is okay, I am a fake and I don't love you. So I tell my dad that he's wrong. And I say, you need to come down and talk to Simon. My dad don't talk to Simon. My dad don't talk to Simon. He's saying that Simon is using him, and his girlfriend is going to, him and his girlfriend going to start a channel because his girlfriend tell him to start a channel with her and leave Simon alone. And I said, look at that. That is right. And if I cannot tell you when you're wrong, I am a fake person. If everything you do it is okay and it is not okay, and I'm going to tell you, say it is okay, I am a fake and I don't love you. So I tell my dad that he's wrong. And I say, you need to come down and talk to Simon. My dad don't talk to Simon. My dad don't talk to Simon. He's saying that Simon is using him, and his girlfriend is going to, him and his girlfriend going to start a channel because his girlfriend tell him to start a channel with her and leave Simon alone. And I said, look at that. Simon is the one who makes the world know you, and you're going to do like that. I was a bit upset with my dad at that time. Not a bit. I was very upset with my dad. I was very upset with my dad. Yes, I say things. I say things that I am not proud of today. And me and my dad talk about it, and I hug my dad and I tell my dad that I love him. Me and my dad talk. And we move past that. Me and my dad good. Yes, I am sorry to put out those things and say those things about my dad on the internet. Yes, I am sorry. It shouldn't have reached the internet, but it's already there. We can't do anything about spilled milk. But me and my dad was good. When I say those things on the internet and it come out, my dad come and visit me. And we talk. And we cry together. And I tell my dad that I am sorry. And me and my dad hug and talk. And we're good. My dad come every Monday to come and look for me and my son. My dad come every Monday to come and look for me and my son to make sure that we're okay, and my daughter, because nothing to my dad like my son. So we move past that and we're alright. So people with them is on the internet saying that me disrespect my dad. Yes, me disrespect my dad, but me and my dad move past it, and I apologize to my dad. Yes, me should have come on the internet and say I am sorry. But my dad told me that I don't have to do it. He's the one who told me that I don't have to come on the internet and say I am sorry. He said to leave it alone. That's why he doesn't even talk about it. That's why he doesn't even, we don't talk about it. Me and my dad, that person, I don't talk to her up to today because she's the one who caused all the problem. She's the one who caused all the problem. I didn't even know that she and my dad separate. It's people tell me that he's close with my dad, like his friends tell me that she said something to my dad. And my dad said, no, he's not doing that because I don't even want to say it in this video. But my dad tell her no to want something. And she got upset and tell my dad that she's going up. Something wrong with her dog and she's going up. She didn't return to Jamaica. I see my dad look sad, and I said, what happened to you? But I said, nothing do me, man, Tizzy, me alright. Nothing do me, alright. Nothing at all, no do me, alright. I say, but you look sad. But my dad now go tell me, say, that particular person hurt him because he knows how I feel about him, and he knows that I don't like that person. He knows that I don't like that person. So I'm gonna fast forward to everything that people want to hear. I was in my bed a Sunday night when a police called. And the police said to me, Tizania, where are you? And I said, the police said, no, he did not ask me where I was. He said, Tizania, what are you doing? And I said, I'm sleeping. And he said, get up, man, sit up. And I said, what no? He said to me, say, sit down. And I said, yeah. And him say, same name, I'm not going to disclose the officer name, same name, whatever. And your father is at the hospital. And I said, what you say? He said, your father at the hospital I'm say, alright. Him say it's an accident. A motor accident. Him say somebody lick him off and bike. And me leave same time, me and my mom, and go by the hospital. I go by the hospital, I see my dad, he was unconscious. I see him. He was there, lying down. I was there with him all the time. I hold his hands. I was there and I rub him head. And I did there the whole time. I talked and when he wasn't responding. When I talked to him same way. And then I leave 4 o'clock Monday morning to come back down to my house. And then I go around by the Airbnb and go by the top house to look clothes for him to take back. Someone say, alright, me go get some fruits see him. So when him come out, I search if him even can eat some fruits. But I make him eat it. When me leave, me come back. When me leave, go down the step. We get a call from the doctor, so we must come back up at the hospital. And they said they try everything. They try everything them do. They try everything. But him not make it. I try. I call my brother them. I call my mother, I call everybody, and I start telling them that my daddy dead. We do the autopsy yesterday, which is the 17th, and them say him neck. Because of the accident, him neck broke. That's what they told me. That his neck broke and him get some injury in his chest. Not because people say I'm not talking. I don't talk because when I talk, I break.
Yes, massive. So we see what go on now, so you understand we can base our own conclusion on what we think happen and you understand our levels. So until the next video, we want to give thanks and stay blessed. Click the like button and click the subscription button. Share the video with your friend them and them kind of things. They see it. So in the next time, Rastafari live.